Okay, so you watched the first half of the video. We're going to continue on here where we left off, or roughly where I think we left off. Okay, so last one was we were talking about pronouns, direct object pronouns. And we said she sold the house to us. She sold it to us. All right, so that's the verb, the direct object, the direct object pronoun. Okay, so now let's get that sentence in Spanish. Ella, vender is the verb, so se vendió la casa a nosotros. Okay, ella vendió la casa a nosotros. Ella, I'm going to give you the same sentence. La a nosotros. Okay, so again, like I did with the first sentence, I'm not going to take care of the position placement right there yet because I want you to see how it's connected. So sold is vendió, so there's your verb. Okay, I'm going to highlight vendió here too. It's going to be green, all the verbs are green. The direct object in this sentence is the thing that receives the action, so it's what was sold. In this case, la casa. So put in yellow. La casa is feminine, it's singular, so my direct object pronoun to replace that is going to be la. Okay, so again, remember singular, feminine. So ella vendió la casa a nosotros. Ella vendió la a nosotros. So again, just like I said for the first sentence, we cannot have direct object pronouns or any kind of pronoun after the conjugated verb. So we've got to move that right there to before the conjugated verb. Ella la vendió a nosotros. Ella la vendió a nosotros. Okay. So I'm going to do one more of these examples, and I want you to kind of anticipate what each sentence is going to be, work through it before I get to the answer. That way you're checking your understanding. Let's see. Nosotros, English first. We look for the tickets in the drawer. Okay, I'll throw in an extra phrase there. The extra phrase is really important for this concept, but I just want you to see what it looks like for a more authentic sentence that might have extra information. So we look for the tickets in the drawer. Okay, we look for them in the drawer. I'm again referring back to the tickets. Okay, so let's first find the verbs. Okay, the verbs are look, the actions, look. What is the direct object in the sentence in English? What are you looking for? What's receiving the action? Okay, you should be able to tell me the tickets. That's what you look for. Okay, so we're going to highlight those in yellow because those are our direct objects. What is the direct object pronoun that replaces the tickets in this sentence? Okay, it's them, so we're going to highlight that again in yellow. Okay, so now we're going to go to the Spanish version of these sentences. If you have a vocabulary, that's fine. Just work through the structure with me. Nosotros, the verb to look for is buscar. So I'm going to conjugate that in nosotros form. Nosotros buscamos los boletos en el cajón, okay, in the drawer. Nosotros buscamos. Okay, so I'll pause there. Nosotros buscamos los boletos en el cajón. So if you're anticipating where I'm going, you're anticipating what the direct object is. What do we look for? We look for los boletos. Is that masculine or is that feminine? Well, los boletos, it should be pretty clear. It's masculine. Is that plural or is that singular? Los boletos, that's plural. So we're going to use the direct object pronoun los. And el cajón. Okay, the rest of the sentence stays the same. So again, I'm going to highlight in green the verb in both sentences. Nosotros buscamos. And then the direct object in this sentence is going to be los boletos. Amarillo. Okay, over here it's going to be los amarillo. That's the pronoun. So them, that's the pronoun. And the last thing, and if you got to it before I did, changing the placement on the direct object pronoun. Remember that we can't have direct object pronouns after conjugated verbs. We have to before conjugated verbs. So we're going to go and move this nosotros, to, over here. Los buscamos en el cajón. Okay. So I hope this is kind of making sense. There is a pattern. There's definitely a pattern here. We're looking at the gender. So is it masculine, is it feminine? We're looking at the number. Is it singular, is it plural? And we're also making sure that we're taking into account that placement. If you have a conjugated verb, you have to have that object pronoun before the conjugated verb. Okay. Let me do a couple with people. Okay. Like that. Let's do that. With people. I see her at school. At school. Here, let's do this. I see Maria at school. I see her at school. Okay, you go. I see Maria at school. Okay. Now, the Spanish sentence for each of these would be yo veo a María en la escuela. Okay. Yo veo la en la escuela. Okay. If you're already anticipating that there's something wrong there, that's excellent. See is your verb, so I'm going to highlight all those verbs in green. All right. Same thing here. We know the verb is veo. As I see, the verb is veo. Okay. The direct object is going to be Maria because she's the one who is receiving the action. She's the one that's being seen. The direct object over here in English is going to be her. The direct object is, again, Maria. The direct object pronoun in Spanish, because Maria is one girl, and she's feminine, obviously, is going to be la. Okay. So, again, where do I put that pronoun? I put that pronoun before the conjugated verb. Okay, yo la veo en la escuela. Okay. Last one. We're going to flip it, okay? Maria sees me at school. Maria sees me at school. Okay. Again, I've already pronoun there, Maria. Same sentence because sees me at school. Verb is sees. Nope, that's not what I use for verbs. I use green. He sees. Green. Alright, what does she see? She sees me. I'm the direct object in that sentence. Okay. And if I were being like 100% consistent, I would say she sees Mr. Campos at school. Maria sees Mr. Campos at school, but that sounds weird to me, so I'm just going to go straight to the direct object pronoun there. Maria sees me at school. Okay, so Maria, now Spanish sentences, sees is ve. Maria ve a mí en la escuela. I'm grunting because it sounds very weird. María ve me en la escuela. Okay, sorry, it makes me feel weird because it's very grammatically incorrect, but I think it's going to be the easiest one to follow here. María ve a mí en la escuela. So again, María ve. And here, it's who is she seeing? She's seeing me. Okay. She's seeing me. So those are our direct objects there. And now, let's go straight to the Spanish. María. Oh, no, I already did. So now, let's see here. We have the direct object in this situation. I'm the direct object. Me is the direct object. So I'm going to take that direct object pronoun me and I'm going to move it to before the verb. María me ve en la escuela. Okay. All right, guys. So sometimes these overlap and these look like indirect object pronouns, which we've already talked about. Essentially, they work the same way when we're talking about people. Okay. Now, let's see. We've talked about what the direct object is. We've talked about what the direct object pronouns are. Me, te, le, te, lo, la, los, las. We've talked about placement rules when they relate to direct object pronouns and conjugated verbs. What about all those other kinds of verbs that aren't conjugated? Okay, infinitives, commands, gerunds like ando, comiendo, viendo, bailando. When we have those, we're allowed to put those direct object pronouns attached to the back of the verb. So I'm going to give you a couple of English sentences and I'll give you a couple of Spanish sentences. We want to watch the movie. We want to watch it. Okay, so let's do the same thing that we did earlier. We want to watch. All right, it's kind of a compound verb there. So we're going to say green for the compound verb. We do the same thing here. Green for the compound verb. Okay. What do we want to watch? We want to watch the movie. That's going to be our direct object. So put that in yellow. And over here, we're going to use a pronoun, it, to replace the movie. It's still the same thing. And we're going to put it in yellow. All right, what is it in Spanish? Nope. Nosotros queremos ver la película. Nosotros queremos ver. I'm gonna stay consistent here. Okay, and take you through step by step. You know there's an error there. Alright, so the verb here is a compound verb again, just like you had earlier with the English one. Queremos ver. So I'm gonna highlight that in green, just like with the English. And then I'm gonna highlight this one over here in green. What do I watch, or what do we want to watch? We want to watch the movie. That's the direct object here, so I'm going to put that in yellow. Amarillo, and then I'm going to put the direct object pronoun here in yellow also. Alright, so now, we're being consistent. Take a look here at the last bit. We want to watch it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this la, which is referring back to the movie, singular, feminine, and I'm going to attach it directly to the infinitive right in front of it. Okay? Rather than having a space there, I'm going to attach it directly. So now it's a compound word. Nosotros queremos ver la. Nosotros queremos ver la. So that is absolutely correct. I'm going to attach one more. I'm going to make one more sentence here. Nosotros queremos ver la, just like I did before. But here, I'm going to move this one to before the conjugated verb because we still have a conjugated verb in that sentence, queremos, and I'm going to move it right there. La queremos ver. Okay? So both of these sentences mean the exact same thing. Both of them are correct because I'm allowed to put my direct object pronoun before a conjugated verb like I did here, queremos, or I'm allowed to attach it to the back of the infinitive like I did with the first sentence, queremos ver la. Okay, we'll do one more. We'll do it with a command. This is a command. You prepare the dinner. You prepare it. Okay, so let's go back here and we're going to find the verb prepare. That's the command. It's a command. It's still a verb. Prepare. What am I asking you to prepare? I'm asking you to prepare the dinner. Dinner. I'm going to highlight that with yellow. Okay, that's the direct object. And I'm going to highlight this with yellow also. That's the direct object pronoun. Okay, now the command for this is going to be tú prepara. That's the command form. La cena. Tú prepara la cena. I'm going to do tú prepara la. The dinner is singular, it's feminine. What happens when I have it with a command here? Okay, I'm allowed to attach it directly to the back of the command. Tú prepara la. Tú prepara la. Okay, I think that covers most of the concepts here. I'm about to run out of time, so I'm going to stop there. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me a message on Google Classroom. I'm happy to go over this with you during office hours 1 to 3, but make sure that you take a look at this video if you were confused about direct objects and direct object pronouns. Thank you. Keep practicing. Go back to the concepts that I already posted if you need more help. Hopefully this was helpful. Sorry. No, never mind. You're good.